Hi and welcome back to my world of food. A big hello if it's the first time to visit. Today we're going to do something most people like. A lot of people order in a restaurant, but not everyone knows how to cook. We're going to do prawns. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. The ingredients we need today are raw peeled prawns, some chopped garlic, chili flakes, a little bit of butter and olive oil. We start frying with the olive oil and then add the butter, because the butter can sometimes burn if you just use butter. So we use a little mix and we'll show you as we start cooking. Thank you. So we start off by heating the frying pan, add the olive oil and we let that get hot. Now we add the butter and let the butter melt. So now when that's melted, we add the garlic and just get that cooking so that the flavour and the taste of the garlic goes into the oil. And then we add the prawns. And nature's provided a good way of knowing when the prawns are cooked, because they go nice bright orange, and that's how you know if there's any grey, the prawns aren't cooked yet. Then we add the chili flakes and a little bit of salt, and we just stir them. And now we wait for them to go orange and be cooked. And now it's looking really good. They're all cooked, all nice and orange, nicely cooked, no grey bits, and they're ready to put on a plate. And they smell lovely. And after only 2 minutes cooking, the prawns are done, ready to serve up, and I'm going to eat them today with some garlic bread, which I'll show you how to make another day. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please like and subscribe, leave a comment and say what you think, and we hope to see you back another day for more films.